Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Alisa Redondo or Alyssa Redondo, representing the Filipino community of California, is crowned Mutya ng Pilipinas 2024 pageant, capturing both the prestigious Mutya ng Pilipinas crown and the Mutya ng Pilipinas Intercontinental title. Her victory is a testament to her grace, talent, and dedication. Alongside Alyssa, this year's Mutya ng Pilipinas winners include Mutya ng Pilipinas Tourism International, Mutya ng Pilipinas Asia Pacific International, and Mutya ng Pilipinas Pearl. And each winner has showcased remarkable qualities and will represent the Philippines with pride and excellence on the international stage. Congratulations to all the winners for their outstanding achievements.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!